ones can't fuck with me.
Why?
Cause I'm a clever girl. We snapping.
Pretty please.
Tom's, please. We want to welcome you to the Beyonce Cowboy Carter Act 2 and a rodeo chillin' circus.
We gonna make it do what it do, yeah, yeah.
Put them hands together. We clapping. We drumming. Ladies, yeah, fuck it, we shaking.